Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android is up to date and that the camera app or a QR scanner supports Wi-Fi codes. Once done, get the network SSID, encryption WPA/WPA2/WPA3, and password visible so you can verify them. Open the camera app or select Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi and tap the QR code scanner if present. This gets you into the scanning flow quickly. Make sure the camera lens is clean and that you grant camera permissions when prompted. You now scan the QR code by framing it in the camera viewfinder or scanner app and holding steady. The phone should detect it within seconds. When a network preview appears, read and verify the SSID, encryption type, and obscured password. Do not accept if any detail looks wrong. If the scanner offers connect, tap it. Otherwise, choose Add Network and paste the parsed values manually. Once you initiate connection, wait for the authentication to complete before proceeding to testing. You finish by confirming the Wi-Fi shows as connected and then open a website or ping to test internet access. If connection fails, rescan the code and check for typos or wrong encryption. If auto-connect denied, manually add the network using exact SSID, select the correct security type, and paste the password. As a single troubleshooting tip, if nothing works, reboot your phone and the router. Because cached credentials or router state often block authentication, try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.